Hi everyone, I'm Cristiano. Welcome back to my channel, and this is the part 2 of Apple Watch tutorial. So we have already done this. This is the login page. It's completed. So we must do now when you click the login button, we should go. This is the online version. We should go to the overview page, the home page, and this is where you can see all the cards for our projects, and we can add, and we have the sidebar over here, the header. So you should do all of that. Actually, let this the settings profile. We have a bunch of pages right here. So we have a lot of pages to do. The structure, the main structure, that is the sidebar and the header and the children, that is here. We have to do that. So this is the main structure of our website. So let's go. Let me just, oh God, put like this, and here we go. This is it's running already. Okay, this is our code. So if you want to get where we stop it, just go for my GitHub, and you're going to see the last push there. So, well, let's go now. What we should do first is create the folders. Right now we only have like the assets folder inside our source. We should do the pages, and we should do the components. Okay, right now we are rendering the app, but we shouldn't do like that. This we should have like a file, a single file that is going to have all of our routes. So first of all, let's go create routes. I think that's a good name. And this is the file where we are going to set all of our routes. So if you need to change something, we can go just over here and change it. It's easier this way. I think it's more organized. So export function, project, routes. Here we go. I think it's a good name. I have a problem with naming things. So we should, oh, first of all, we should install React Router DOM. That's the library that we are going to use to set all of our routes. So React Router DOM. If you go right here, I'm new, and probably is down here. npm install React Router DOM. So it's an easy one. Let me stop the project and install it. Okay, here we go. It's installed. Now we can use it. If I'm not mistaken, is browser something, browser router. That's We can see the tutorial here. Let me see if there is any tutorial. Okay, I think it's going to take us longer if I need to search it. Let me do by memory. Yeah, great browser router. Okay, let me do by memory because I really, if I try to find it, I don't know where is it in the tutorial, but if you do the browser router, inside the browser router, we have to get all the routes. So, and oh, let me import it. Okay, there we go. And now we can import each route, and you can develop by each route doing whatever you want. So it's like this route, and then I'm going to do like a path. Oh, I have to import first, and then is like this. Home is simple. This is very simple actually. Now we have to import the element that is the home page. But actually, we need to do the login page because we have already done the login page. This is the login page. So first of all, inside the page, we can do like a file, login, and export function login page, and we can copy what we have already done. So this is all for the login page. We can copy and paste. I think it's quicker like this. And oh, the imports. copy and paste. There we go. We have the login page right here. Now we can import the element that is the component that is going to render. So login page. There we go. Now we should import these routes inside of our app. Now it's going to be corrected. So let me just do like this. Project routes, if I'm not mistaken. There we go. I think that's it. Yes, that's our routes. And npm run dev. If I try to go like this, oh, there is a problem with the image inside here. This is the logo image. Okay, because we have created a folder and put the code right inside. So all we have to do is this? Yeah, just you know put a dot because we get we put we put the code inside the pages folder. So you have to do another dot. So right now, nothing is showing. Why is that? Because I don't have this as a route. If I go login, it's going to be the login page. So what I want is every route is going to be redirected to login page because that's my no first page. So what I have to do is create something like this. All this represents all is going to be redirected. The element is going to be, oh, I think I just, it's like this. So navigate, we are going to import, or we have to do like this. And, to somewhere, to login, and replace. There we go. Now, this way, if I try to go anywhere, it's going to redirect me to the login page. Now it's the way I want it to be. So we have the login page. Now we have to do the other pages, the structure here. So inside pages, our folder, we are going to create the home page. Sure, why not? We could, we can, we should create the settings page, the profile page, the error logs page, the users page, websites page, and the last one is routes. Oh, we should have named like this. Routes page. Yeah, it's ugly, I know, but so export function routes page return div routes page. Welcome. This is just an example. Now we should like copy and paste profile. Um, Home page. I'm trying to do quickly, but you know, it's not that simple. So settings, user, of course, user page, users page. I think it's this way is better. So okay, users page, and now websites page. I forgot about it. Websites. Websites? I don't think it's uppercase. Jesus Christ. There you go. Websites. Websites page. And I believe that's all of oh, settings. Forgot the most important page. The settings page. I believe that's all right. Routes page, profile page. Now we can, import every route here. So just go like this, home page. I know it's takes some time to do it, but that's the way. Home page, settings. That's the way I know how to do it. So profile page. After that, error logs page, and we have the users. We have a bunch of page, right? And we have two more. The websites. Is that websites? Okay. Websites page, and the last one, routes page. There we go. Now we can try to access home. Here we go. Settings. There we go. It's working, guys. So the next thing is the main structure, because if I want to get around the pages, I have to, type here. So I shouldn't do that. Let me close all the files. Go back here. So in the app, I can't get access to the routes. Everything here, it's working, and but I have to do the structure. If you see it, every page represents the same structure. Let me put it like this. It's the same structure right here, right now. So we have the sidebar and the header. Now we should do just one file, and with a sidebar, maybe a component like a main layout. This is the component that we're going to do. I used to, create folders and put the index file inside, but doesn't matter. You can do like this, main layout. So export function, main layout, return. So we're going to have a div. Let me watch this. Let me see this one. It's flex. If I see it correctly, first we have this and then this. So it's flex row, min high. Oh, it's not min high. I forgot to do it. Let me see. It's min h screen. That is min h screen, and it's full to no get all of our for with it, and there we go. Now div left side, right side. Now this is like a simple structure, and we're going to import inside our home this div. So let me go back here. Okay, before that, if we watch closely, we can see there is like this repeats itself in every page, but this content changes. So this is like I'm going to render inside this component. So at the right side, I'm going to have like header, and just below it, I'm going to have everything that is going to be rendered, like the children. So I have to import it, not import, but I have to get the children from some place. I have to, you know, to show it. So interface, main, main, yeah, main layout, pops is like this. Children is going to be React node if I'm not mistaken. And we're gonna do like this. Now we can import main layout, and if we go, why is that not working? Yeah, the file exists. Oh, I should do like this. There we go. So there we go, left side, header, and home page, welcome. So it's rendering, right? Now, what we get to do is to put our options, that is, all the pages, and to navigate to each of them. So, like this. So the left side is going to, let me think about this. Which way is the better way? Put like, let me see the order overview first, and then I have the settings, profile. Okay, settings, profile, here, space logs, users, websites, and finally routes. I'm not going to need this one. So when I click on this one, not class name, on click, there we go. I'm going to navigate. Oh, first of all, I have to import. Let const navigate, use navigate, and like this, I can navigate to, home. And I can, do for every page right here. Let me just do like this. And settings. If I try to go like this. Settings. Oh, it's working. It's working, baby. Profile. Error logs. Is that how I type it? Yeah. Error logs. Users. Websites. And finally, routes. There we go. We have every route. If I try to go websites, routes page, it's navigating. Okay, that's it. Now, what I should do is to import this main layout to every page, like to profile, to routers, page settings. But you shouldn't repeat yourself. The concept dry. Don't repeat yourself. So I'm going to repeat myself if I do that. What I can do is here in the routes, I can do something like I can import the main layout to every page that I want. Yeah, that's a nice going, right? So, okay, first of all, we need to do like this. So, hmm, well, we're not going to export anything, so just function, mm, you know, private, not private, but let me think about it. Yeah, regular, all routes. Routes with layout. I know it's huge and I'm not very good at naming, but so I'm going to be using the main layout to render the outlet that is, the component itself. Now I can use this one inside of project routes. Just use this element. So I have the login here. So So what I'm going to do is route, and I'm going to not close it. For every route there is, besides this one, I'm going to render an element. Element. So I'm going to render, Jesus Christ, sorry about that, the routes with layout. Isn't that right? Oh, I should do like a return. Now it's going to work. Okay, my mistake. Now it's working. So if I save it, it's okay because I have to take it out here. This is simple. Um, just a div. There we go. Now if I try to go every page here, it's working and all of the pages has the main layout. Isn't that nice? It's a very cool thing, right? It's very simple. So we have already done the structure for the layout. The first part of this video is complete. Now what we should do is, style it. Let's go and style this because I have to say it's very ugly like this. Looks like in the 90s. So let's go. So the first thing that we should do is, get the same size and the same color, maybe the icons. We can get different icons, that's not very important. The main important thing is, okay, let's write app watch. I mean, it's, yeah, sure. App watch. Oh, it has a slash over here. There you go. And the size of this div. It's flex column by default, but let me put the size. It's something like this, maybe 52. And let me just color it up. Blue 3000. Okay, it's not that. Oh, it's smaller. Maybe a 48. Yeah, 48. That's correct. So the color, let me see something. Yeah, the color of the text is all white. So text white. Let me go back here. And okay, first of all, the size of the letter. It's a little bigger, this one. So it's probably, I really don't remember, guys. I've done this for some time to Excel. Yeah, sure. Text center. Yeah, margin top 5, 10. Let me see something. No, it's actually smaller, and maybe a 7. It's not centralized, but we're going to do centralized. I don't care. So, okay, let me see something. Jesus Christ. Okay. Now there's like it's quite there's you know a different. Take this out. Maybe this one over here. Class margin top 10. Yeah, yeah, something like that. Okay, but the color is not the color. I don't know what color is that. Let me try and error. Maybe it's 700, 600. No, 800 maybe. Yeah, 800. Okay, 800 is the color. Okay, so for these guys, I'm going to do. Hmm, how, which way is the best? Let me think about it. We are going to use icons, so Let's search for the icons. First of all, overview. Home. I don't know. Maybe. No, not this one. Hmm. You know what? Let me open the code and get the same icon. Okay, here is the code, and this this is the arc. These are the icons. Let me put like this, and the icon for the overview is this one. So overview. We should do like a flex row get 4 maybe, and there we go. Let me see it. Yeah. Okay, but it's centralized and has probably a padding. So let me add the padding and item center, justify center. There we go. It's not centralized, but let me think. Maybe, yeah, yeah, there we go. And we could do like a hover and change the color of the like this. Yeah, there you go. Now it's working. So, but this when I click, oh, the hover it's for light, so it's probably on 500. No, 600. No, 700. Jesus Christ. Okay, yeah, probably 700. Now we gotta do the same thing. Hmm. Okay. What can mm, remember dry, so don't repeat yourself. I could do is const, style for options and do like this because it's the same, right? Yeah. Now I can do like this. Actually, it's faster if I do like this. There we go. Oh, it's we don't need the margin top, right? Yeah, just for the first one. We can put in a div everything here. And this div, we're going to put the margin top 10. Yeah, there we go. More like the final version, right? So let me get the other icons. I just want to copy it. I don't want to search for each icon. I think it's going to take longer than it has to. There's no need for that. This is the icon for profile. This is the icon for error logs, the users, the websites. I'm just copying and pasting the icon as you can see right here. This is the final code. You guys can download it. It's public. It's for everybody. So let me import each one of them. Pa, 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 pa. Let me use this one. There we go. Let me save it and let me see it. Okay. More. It's it's getting better, right? left and do like a margin left 4. It's not the same. Oh, it's probably same bold. And 5. Oh, it's getting close. Maybe like this. Now but it's way far, like 14, maybe more, like 16. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, the gap is not that much. Maybe a 3. Yeah, there we go. It's almost the same. Okay, just let it be. Now, what we have to do is, as you can see, we are navigating through each page, but I want to change the color from the background that is selected. So for that, I need to use like the path for, where am I? If it's setting, I'm going to change the background color. So, okay. So I need to use the location for that. So const, I don't know. Mm, I'm very good at name. Like is selected. Maybe maybe it's a good name. And we are going to get the path. It's a string and it's an arrow function. So location. Oh, it's it's giving me what I need. So if I do like a console log, so I can do like this. Console log is selected, and I can pass like the where am I? If I'm home, let's see if it's true. It's true. Settings false. True. So false, false. So if it's true, I'm going to change the color of the background. I think it's easier like this to understand, right? So let me take this out and use this. I'm going to use first in this one. Actually, I have to change this, right? Choose like this. Jesus Christ. So is selected truth. I'm going to give bg. Jesus Christ. Bg blue. I don't know, maybe 800. I have to pass. Mm, actually, I cannot do like this. Let me think about it because I cannot import this. Maybe I can do like maybe error function, right? I don't know. And do like this. Home. Right? So yeah, string. And I think this is the right way, right? We should try it out. Let me. In the original, it is different, but never mind. Let's do like this. Maybe it's gonna work. I have no idea if this is gonna work, but I have faith in my coding skills. So it's not changing. Let me just try it out. Why is not working? Oh, it's the same color. That's that's why it was not working. So here we go. We have the sidebar, huh? Great job, guys. So, okay, the sidebar is complete. Let's do the header. So before we can continue, let's go and push our code to the GitHub. Git add, git commit. We're going to do a fit add main structure for the project. We shouldn't do like this. We should always commit thing by thing, but nevertheless, never mind. So okay, let's go do the header. The header, probably it's better for us to do a different component, right, in the different file. And yeah, sure, why not? Let's go and do that. First of all, let's create the file. So, oh, let me just npm run that. It's running. So, okay, here we go. It's running. It's the sidebar is working. It's probably almost the same, right? But we have to get the header ready. So let's go. Header, export function, like always, header. You're not going to receive any property or props or anything. So return div. So let me check. So it's not that big. It's a flex row. First of all, class flex row and justify between the first div. We are going to put welcome to the dashboard admin, and the second div, this div is going to contain all of this. So the first div, icon for moon, second div to flags, and the third div is icon for profile. Maybe now I have to import. I forgot. Let me just close this. And header. There we go. Okay, just a second. This is not supposed to be column flex row. Okay, there we go. Okay, wait a second. Gap 3. And of course, we get to get. Oh, it's not working. Probably just live with this. It's not going to hurt anybody. There we go. There we go. But the size of the is different, right? So wait a second. It's not. We're not going to put mint full here. Let me just check something. As you can see, this div right here should get all of the with it. So it's simple. We're going to do flex one, flex call. There we go. Now it's working. Flex one is going to get all the extra space. So there we go. Now it's working. So let's go back here. Well, the icon for the moon. Let me get the icon. Let me get in the code, the final code. So let me check. Here we go. So mother header, main layout, and go moon. Oh, we have just toggle theme. It's very complex. We shouldn't do that right now. We should just put some simple icons. Go moon. Why not inside of here? Import. No. Okay. And then the flags. For the flags, I have to get the images. So you know what? Let me get the images, the flag from Brazil and USA, and copy. Now I have to import the flags. Let me take this off. And I'm going to import like the Brazil flag from assets, image, and then flag Brazil. Flag. There we go. Now we can import those two flags over here. It's an image, so sorry about that. Brazil flag. Um, oh, wait a second. Just this is going to be flex row get 2 maybe, I don't know. And then the size of this is going to be with it like maybe that, no, 20, 24. Yeah, sure, why not? There we go. There we go. Okay, maybe less. 22. Okay, now the icon for the profile. I don't have the image. Let me import the image from my, you know, previously code. Let me close this, close that. And the image is inside the model. No, the main layout. Drop the, oh, I did a component for that. But for now, let me get the image. Jesus Christ. The user profile image. It's this one. So let me just click and copy. There we go. User, user profile image. Now we just do an image importation. There we go. Oh, it's quite big. Maybe the width should be maybe less for. Yeah, there we go. It's coming alive. Now the welcome to the dashboard. It's going to stylish. Going to style it. Some bolds. There we go. And maybe large, I believe. Yeah, it's or Excel. Yeah, Excel looks like more appropriate. Let's just item center. Okay. The moon. The moon looks quite off, right? Maybe flex, flex. I don't know. Like justify center, econ center. Okay, there we go. We should do like a padding for, left and right, maybe up and down too. So 3. Yeah, there we go. It's similar. Maybe the moon is too close to the flags. So merge like this. Yeah. Yeah, and the size of the 30. Yeah, it's more look-alike. Yeah, it's good. It's it's getting there. It's getting there. So the header is almost complete. And I mean let, let me do just one thing first, like maybe like that. Mm, maybe not that much. Yeah, there we go. We're getting there. Yeah, we are getting there. Okay, so you have the main structure, the icons. Now we should do the home page, right? The overview page. So, how can I do it? Okay, first of all, let us just commit this. Git add, git commit, just header, git push. There we go. We have ourselves a good header. We should get the header better. There we go. Okay. So right now, let me think about it, what we should do for the, homepage, the overview page. So, okay, for the overview page, we need to get the same card, and, before that, let me just change something. It's still Vite and React here. So, let me go here and change to app watch YouTube. There you go. We can change the icon also. Let me get the same icon to look the same. So first of all, let me open the project, and this is the icon, favicon.ico. Okay, let's just put this inside public. There we go. We're not going to use Vite anymore. And here you're going to put the name of the file, a favicon icon. Favicon icon. Let me save it. There we go. Now, now it's better, right? So let's go back here and do this. We have two buttons in the first div, and just below it we have probably a large div. Let me just go like this. Yeah, first div, and then the second div, that is this div right here. Okay, it's not that difficult. So, okay, here we go. And now let's go back. Oh, if I don't think I did the navigation from login to home page, right? So, oh, it's not working. So let me, I forgot to do it. So const navigate equals use navigate, and we are going to use this const, right? Login, it's here, my friend. On click, navigate to home. Oh, it's working? Oh, my Visual Studio is breaking again. I have no idea why. So, alright, let me put this over here, close it. Let's go back to the. It still has the, I don't know what's happening with my, if I do like the reload window for my Visual Studio, is it going to work? Yes, I don't know why. Just, it's live, right? Oh, something wrong with my prettier? Is it? Is it? There we go. It's working. Yeah, yeah, sure. I know. I don't know, guys. Okay, let's go back here. It's working our sidebar. So let's change this. We have a first div and a second div. The first div, this one right over here, is going to have like two buttons. It's not a button. This first is just a, simple card showing us how many projects we have, and this is a button. So this is the first div, right? In the first div, I'm going to put the first button, total projects, maybe a 2. And this is going to be a button. Let me go back to my project. There we go. This is going to be, Jesus Christ. Flex row, a gap of 4 maybe. I don't know. I have no idea. Now we're going to style it. Be I really don't want to do like this. BG gray, first of all, and padding 4, 5. Yeah, there we go. Okay, it's maybe 4. Okay, it's going to be rounded because we have border radius, maybe large. Yeah, sure, why not? And for the add site, we're going to do the same, but it's going to be different. The color of the background. It's going to be blue. Is it blue? Yeah, but it's Jesus Christ. Okay, maybe. mm, yeah, but I want to do like this. Yeah, there we go. I want to get the same size. Well, to get the same size, I could do just like the width and height. It's better than padding, right? Yeah, should be better than padding, but this is not 300, maybe 500. No, maybe 400. No, it's 500 for sure. Now we're gonna do the text. The color of the text is white text. White. There we go. Add site, but we have a hover. It looks like we have a animated, right? Animation, something like takes 1 second to do the hover, but we're going to do that later. Hover BG blue, uh, 600, maybe 700. Yeah, yeah. Okay, just leave like this. Justify and maybe we can do like a. Oh, it's not that much, right? 4? Yeah, sure. And margin top. Now we can do the margin top right here. Margin top 4. Yeah, it's not the same, but you're getting there. Maybe 8 here. Yeah, there we go, guys. Okay, now let's do the card. It's not that difficult. So it's going to be this div. So we have a card, we have an icon, we have the name. This is more complex and more fun to do it. So first of all, the first div, and inside this div, we're going to have this. Let me see how I did it. I always like to do like this. So first is a div with a row and then another div. For this div, flex, flex column, and inside this div over here, this is the div for the cards. This is the card. So you can put like flex, flex call. We can change it later, but let let me do like this. The first div and the second div. The first div we're gonna have the icon, icon, Cristiano home page, and let me think. I'm so it's a column, this div and this div. This is a div inside a div. Jesus Christ. I don't I really didn't remember online. It's Okay, it's not uppercase, so it's like padding 2, border, text green, and border green also. Let me see. Yeah, sure. Just wait a second, guys. So this is flex row, and of course this is going to be a flex column. Let me see it. Icon, the name of the website and the website, but this is going to be flex row. There we go. And below that we have this div right here, right? It's going to have the two divs. First div is gonna have div register routes and the number 0. Call flex row. Let me just copy and paste that. Working routes. Okay, it's getting to shape. So all of this has a BG color of gray, right? This is, I believe this is BG gray. Well, first of all, margin top to look alike. Okay, the distance, and then actually we can set a widget for that. So I don't know, 95, sure, and we can do like item center, justify center. Imagine we have like two cards, and we can do a gap also. Yeah, it's coming alive, but I can't I can't see the online here, so we're going to put like 500. Yeah, it's better. Let's do the first card, then we can just copy and paste. Actually, if we do the first card good, we don't need a second because we can do like a const, put all the informations, and then do a map, like a loop to read all of the information and to construct a bunch of cards. Okay, now we need to get this thing better, right? So this is an icon that is going to do like a update. So let me grab the icon from my other project. This is the icon right here, going to show you. This is RX update. So let me just import. There we go. Oh, I'm doing the second. Just copy and paste this one. There we go. So, okay, I have the icon. I have. It's very ugly, I know. Just maybe a bit 3. Yeah, there we go. It's getting better. And then this one right here, maybe item center. It is center. I don't think so, but actually, let's just. Oh, Jesus, Louise, Cristiano. Do around it. There we go. It's coming alive. It's coming alive. Justify between. There we go. Maybe a gap here. Gap of 3. No. Gap of 1. Yeah, sure. And between these two suckers, gap of 1 or 2. 2. Yeah, sure. It's close, but this, let me just italic. I really don't remember. Is it that? Oh yeah, it is. There you go. Now, from for this two over here, just find between again, and let me think. So this is going to be like item center, justify between. I don't know. Maybe justify center. Is it? Yeah. And oh, okay. I need to do the padding for that. Border, border black. Should I do like this? Is it black? Yeah, looks like it's black. But let me see something. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, okay, okay. Maybe I have no idea. How am I supposed to get, the size is 384. Maybe, I don't know if I do like, and take it off this. Nope, I should leave it. Not, let me just, you know, do like this. PX, it's padding for, left and right. And PY for up and down, maybe a 4. And this, I should do like a, yeah, yeah, rounded, large, border radius, as always. And this, I'm going to do like a margin top for that. Yeah, it's coming alive, man. Finally. So let me grab the style for this one. Um, this line, it's quite okay. The gray over here is 100 maybe. No, this. What is the total product? It's okay. It's 200. There we go. It's you know, it's better. It's not the same, I know. Maybe a darker green, like 600. Yeah, maybe it's 600. Okay, okay. And of course, we should do like this is the card around it, border radius. So sorry. Around it? Jesus Christ, what's happening to my hand today? Yeah, it's almost the same. We are actually this is finished. So let let us stop right here. And I think it's good enough. It's almost the same. Okay, this is bold. Let me correct that. So where is the total project? It's right here. What I like to do is take all of this and put something bold. Font bold, I believe so. Let me see it. It's easy bold or semi bold. Semi bold. And we have to do like flex. Jesus Christ. Flex, flex, row, gap. One. Yeah, sure. There we go. It's almost the same. The background is kind of different, right? It has a gray on it. Maybe you should change the layout. Mm, right here. So it's probably a BG gray. 100? Is it change? I don't know. Oh, it's changed. Yeah, it's 100. BG gray 100. It's not that bright anymore. And for me, that's a good thing. I know there's some spaces that is not the same, but I'm not looking to get the same exact product. I'm just copying and do it live for you guys. Sometimes I have to stop the project and look the logic behind it, but the rest I'm doing live. So that's it. I think that's enough. We have done a bunch of things like the overview page, and we do the navigation, the sidebar, the header. It's not working properly. I mean, we don't. Nothing happens when we click it. When we click it, but that we can do later. Now, for the next part, I'm going to do all the pages right here. Maybe not all of the pages, but maybe the settings page and the profile page. And then we are going to do the, interactions for, let me see something here. This is login. We can just log in, but this is not working, right? We can leave that later when you're going to do the integration. Now, let us just finish the settings, the profile. Maybe you can do all of these pages right here. And I'm gonna think about it, what we're going to do. We have to do the models because this is the real deal. So when I click on the add site, it's going to appear a model, and here also. So we have to do that. So okay, next video we're going to do, a few pages right here and the interactions when you click some buttons. We're not going to do this because this is going to take, you know, longer, too much too much time, or even this, but we can do it later. So that's it. Subscribe, hit the like button, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.